Is university actually worth it? Parents are thinking, should they send their kids to university or not? What do you think? Is university actually worth it?
Well, it's not a simple question. I think university is always worth it, but it's only a small part of the bigger picture. So let's sit down, think about the whole picture. Every year, about 1 million children enter school.
Mm.
Every year, about 400 to 500 children exit grade 12. 2024 stats says 420,000 grade 12 successes. The implication thereof is that we've lost an odd 600,000 children in 12 years. They are already in the market, battling, but they are in the market, right? So now you've done matric. If you look at the popular fields of study, and now I'm talking Stats SA and a lot of other stuff that I browsed through, as well as using ChatGPT, obviously AI. Popular fields of study currently is education, business economics, health, and engineering. But if you look at education, no new schools are being built.
Yes.
Okay? So we're pumping teachers into a system that's not extending itself, or very slowly.